I made over $4,000 in only 48 hours of dropshipping, and today I'm going to go over how I did this and what tools I used to make this happen. So all you need to do is just copy me. Now guys, if you're serious about dropshipping, this is valuable information which you need to watch till the very end to understand it correctly. Dropshipping is very hard if you don't know what you're doing, but for people like me who've been doing it for years, it's natural to us and we know what to do and what not to do. So guys, I'm going to tell you the biggest secret in dropshipping that not a lot of people will tell you. To make money in dropshipping, you need to replicate what's doing well. There are so many dropshippers making well over 5 figures every single day, and trust me, anyone can do this. All you need to do is be willing to put in the effort. Now before I show you the steps I took for this challenge, let me show you exactly how much I made. So if I go onto my Shopify store, so I made exactly $4,559.62, and I made this in roughly 48 hours. I say roughly because there are some variables, but yeah. So how was I able to generate over $4,000 in only 48 hours? Well, I'm going to show you everything that I did. So starting off, I first had to find my winning product. Now trust me, finding a winning product is one of the hardest things to do in dropshipping. You can't just get any product or find a product that looks interesting and just start dropshipping. The product needs to be considered a winning product. But how do you know a product is a winning product? Some people think that viral products on TikTok are considered winning products. However, this isn't always true. Remember, a winning product is generally what's going to allow you to earn some crazy money. Now the best way to find a winning product, and what essentially made me well over $4,000, is ShopHunter. ShopHunter is an amazing tool that I've been using for a while, and it's been allowing me to make some serious money by finding me my winning products. So what is ShopHunter? Imagine being able to go onto any online store to find out how much money they're making. That's essentially what ShopHunter does. ShopHunter is an easy to use sales tracker that lets you track sales of any Shopify store. Trust me when I say I've used so many different sales trackers, but ShopHunter does it the best. For example, I was selling this product on one of my dropshipping stores and made well over 5 figures. The reason I knew this would do well was because before I considered it a winning product, I used ShopHunter. So I found this competitor's website, and all I had to do was copy the URL of the website. I then went onto ShopHunter and pasted that link, and straight away after doing so, I was able to track all their sales. Now what's cool about this is that you can also track their Facebook ads. So if we click on ads here, you can see a chart of how many ads they are running, but that's not all. If we click here, this will show us the individual ads they are running for this store, so you can see what's working for them and what's not. Genuinely a game changer, because you're getting all the exclusive secrets of all these top dropshipping stores, and all you have to do is replicate what's working well. Now a lot of people say dropshipping is saturated, but this is exactly why saturation is a good thing, because you can replicate stores that are doing well while staying clear of stores that aren't. Now with ShopHunter, you can also go onto the Explore tab, and if you click here, you can also search products, and it will find dropshipping stores that are selling the same product. You can then track that store to see how well the products are doing, or see that product on their store or AliExpress. You can also click here and find the top advertised products. So this tool just makes dropshipping extremely easy. And to be honest, if you're struggling with dropshipping or you just haven't started yet, this tool is honestly a game changer, and I would recommend to start using this tool on your dropshipping journey. Now these are the prices for this tool if you plan to take out a monthly plan. However, I would recommend taking out the annual plan, which is what I'm on, because you can also get 2 months free. Trust me, you could easily make well over 5 to 6 figures using this tool. Not only that, but because I've partnered up with ShopHunter, as a special offer for my viewers, you can get 25% off ShopHunter by using the code ALIM25. So make sure you click my link in the description, go onto your chosen plan and sign up to ShopHunter. Again, if you use this tool and implement it correctly, you can easily scale up your dropshipping store and make a ton of money. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, please make sure you smash that subscribe button. So I use ShopHunter to find my winning product, and this is the winning product that I use. It's basically a cooling blanket, and it works really well, especially as it's summertime and when people are sleeping they usually feel very hot, but this blanket essentially cools them down. So this has found a problem and fixed it. Now this is a dropshipping store selling the same product, and if we copy the URL and paste it onto ShopHunter, well, you can see just how much money they're making from their store. Honestly, some unreal amounts of money generated. So because of ShopHunter, I can see this product is working well, and that's why I decided to sell this exact same product and package it exactly the same. I used the same store design and changed it slightly and created my own name. I used ChatGPT to help me come up with a name for my store and product. And then what I did was I started selling this product for slightly cheaper at $119.99. And this same product on AliExpress goes for around $30. So I'm still making a profit of around $90, which isn't bad at all. Now guys, this is a lesson in dropshipping. You don't need to completely reinvent the wheel and find a product that no one is selling. Your chances of success in that is very slim, but can be rewarding. However, if you want to essentially guarantee success, when I say guarantee success, I obviously don't mean 100% guaranteed because there are variables. But if you want to guarantee success, you need to find something that's working and replicate it. And without a program like ShopHunter, it's very hard to do that. So once I had found my winning product and created my store, I then needed to do some ads. Now this is also very, very important to do because you can have the best store and the best product in the world, but if no one knows about it, you'll never generate sales. So for this store, I literally used a low budget TikTok ad strategy. If you want to watch that video, I will leave it in the description below and I will leave it at the end of this video. Now I made over $4,000 in sales, but that wasn't all profit. So let's break it down. I made in total $4,559.62. That was around 38 sales in total. The product itself from AliExpress was $28.84. So in total, the products cost me $1,095.92 and the ads cost me around $800. So in total, I made $2,663.70, which if you really think about it, to make that in 48 hours isn't bad. So again guys, I scaled my store to earn me well over $4,000 in sales and just over $2,500 in pure profit in only 48 hours. And I'll probably keep the store up and continue to do ads on it. So if you do want to watch an update video on that, make sure to leave it down in the comments below. And if you do want to watch my low budget TikTok ads video, then make sure to click this video just over here and I'll see you guys there.